Welcome back guys, this is Shrikant. Last video we talk about the alternate key. Before that we talk about candidate key. Before that we talk about super key. And before that we talk about the all type of keys. And I'm going to discuss about in this video a primary key. So what is primary key? Primary key is a key which is useful for identifying the uniqueness in a table. Okay. Now from the above candidate key, we will select one single key. We say it's a primary key which defines the relationship, right? Let's say with our combination I have selected student ID as my primary key. So this is the key which I will use to make the relationship, to make the unique data in a table. There are few rules to make a primary key. Primary key never allows null. It will never allows null. Point number one. And it will never allow duplicate values. So these are important thing. Never allows null, never allows duplicate value. Okay. So when I select any column as a primary column, then that column need to follow these two important thing. And just for your information, whenever I do create a primary key, one cluster index is automatically created. But this is not for this video. Just to tell you, when we have a multiple candidate key, we can select any one of the key out of those set of the keys, and we say it's a primary key. Now basically the primary key is also the candidate key. Alternative key is also the candidate key, right? Okay, hope you guys understood the importance of the primary key here. So primary key, we can choose any key as a primary key. So this video is clear related with the primary key. How to create the primary key, we have already video related with that. You can go back to channel and you can search with the primary key in SQL Server. You can find all the big video related with the primary key, and that will help you to clarify all your doubt. Okay. I hope you guys enjoyed our video related with the primary key and other type of key, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.